Hi guys, this is Stephanie from Lati.
Are you looking for the perfect toy for your kids? Well, look no further. This is the one toy that they'll be playing for hours and hours. And trust me, I didn't believe it either. This is the Lati 130-piece magnetic tiles. My son loves to play with it. It comes with 2 cars that you can use as train tracks, and also it has a variety of shapes and colors. And I also like that it has inserts that you can use as windows or even balcony. My son likes to stack them and smash them, so I know they're very durable, they're not gonna break, and they're not gonna hurt your little one's fingers. This toy will make a perfect gift for any little one. I'm sure that they will enjoy it as much as my son has. And it's a family friendly, everyone in the household can play with it and use their imagination.
And that's our point of view.